How to create a subdomain on Godaddy. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's episode, I'll show you the ways to create subdomain on Godaddy. To do this procedure, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up your godaddy.com. Now here you want to click the sign in button and click the sign in button or log in or sign up if you don't have a Godaddy account. After that, what you want to do is, after which you want to go ahead and click on new record at the bottom of the page. And once you've done it, so you want to go ahead and click on DNS beside the domain name to open the DNS management. Now here you'll find the record section. So this is where you'll manage all your subdomain. Click the add new record button to start making your subdomain. Now after clicking add new record, select E under the type field, then enter the subdomain that you want under host. Now for example, if you're setting up a web store on a subdomain, you can name it store to make the subdomain store.yourwebsite.com. Finally, under value, type the numerical IP address of your hosting account. You'll find your server's IP address by clicking my product, then go to server, then manage, and then go to details. Now leave the details TTL value or customize it in need. Now after entering the server IP address, you want to go ahead and press the save button to save your new record, and you're all done. Keep in mind that it may take some time for this change to propagate, so check back every hours or so until you see the subdomain when you type its address in your web browser. Now change made to your domain name system DNS can take up to 48 hours to appear as well. So this way you'll be able to create a subdomain on Godaddy. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.